Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscilla, for those of you that don't know me. For today's video, I'm going to take you guys shopping with me to Zara for the semi-annual sale. And this actually is now a family tradition. I started going about 3 or 4 years ago with my sister and my stepmom, and it kind of just became this yearly thing where we would always go on January 1st and then we would go eat Cheesecake Factory. So that's exactly what we're doing today. Happy New Year, by the way. I'm so excited. We're officially in 2021. I'm gonna take you guys shopping with me. Hopefully I find some cute things. Zara is very hit or miss for me personally. It's either things for like petite girls, which I am not, or it's just things that are simply not my style, but I do find cute pieces here and there. So I'm gonna show you guys whatever I find. I want to see these. Oh my god. I love all of these.
Que yo sepa que me voy a poner.
And the damage was done. Alright guys, I am back home. I'm gonna do a little unboxing and show you guys what I got and how much it cost during the semi-annual sale. Alright, so first item is a pair of these high-rise shorts. They're a beautiful like medium blue, a little bit frayed at the bottom. It is always hot in Miami, so a good pair of shorts is essential. These were $29.90, which I think is a pretty good price for Zara denim. It's usually like at least 50-60 bucks. Next, I got a pair of these kind of charcoal colored sweats. They're super cozy and they're kind of jogger style at the bottom. Not too skinny though. I like the loose kind of baggy fit. These were $35.90. It is kind of pricey for sweats, but their sweatpants and cozy like loungewear is kind of pricey, so I feel like that's not too bad. Next, I got this little black t-shirt. It is a ribbed material and it has the scrunch on the side. You can adjust it so you can make it like a little bit tighter or a little bit loose. I like it. I think it's super cute. I like that it's not cropped, because most of the time when you get this scrunch, they're usually really cropped. I like it as like a basic tee, and you can dress it up or down. And this was on sale for $12.90. I was actually in shock, because sometimes you get these little t-shirts at Zara for like 30 bucks. Next item is pretty basic, but I can never go wrong with like a nice comfy v-neck, and I feel like you can always dress these up, dress it down, tuck it into a pair of jeans or shorts. You could do like a little knot. I got this kind of burgundy, almost like a chocolate color. It looks a little bit brighter on camera. It's literally just a plain v-neck, super cozy, and only $9.90. This next item was actually the last thing I found before I decided to go pay, and this is something I've kind of wanted for a while, but I was very picky with because I thought it was like either too much or too tight. And it's a pair of faux leather pants. So I know on camera they look like a trash bag, but I swear they feel luxe. Like, they're super nice. They are a wider leg. which I like because I didn't want it to look like super skinny, like I'm in a rock band or something. And it has kind of like this little flared kind of at the waist, which I think is gonna look flattering. I need to try these on. Obviously fitting rooms aren't open with COVID, so I'm praying that they fit and look nice. They were on sale for $25.99, which I thought was nuts because they actually had a pair of like the leather leggings and it had like the beautiful chocolate color, which I really wanted, and they were like $50. Next item is a super cute little kind of casual but dressy blouse. I love this color. I'm literally wearing olive right now. This is a bit lighter. It's almost like a sage. It's super like silky and it just looks nice. It's like lightweight but looks expansive, you know what I mean? This one was $19.99. I was shook, honestly, because these little blouses, like I said, Zara is pricey, like it's expensive. So $19.99, I love it. Can't wait to wear this one. Obviously need to wash and iron it. So the last two pieces that I'm going to show you guys were sold separately, but it's basically a set. So first piece is this gray t-shirt, and it actually has little shoulder pads, which I don't know how I feel about it. When I try them on, I'll see, but otherwise it has like a really easy like removal, so if anything I'll take them out. But even though it looks like a plain gray tee, I thought it was adorable because up close, I'll show you guys close-ups afterwards because, you know, camera focusing and whatnot, but it says Hollywood, Los Angeles, California or something, which I love LA. If I could live there, I would. So I was like, oh, I love this shirt. And then as I kept roaming around, I found the matching sweats. So these are the matching sweats, and then you can see right here on the side the little detail also says same thing, Hollywood, Los Angeles, California, and it has like these little lines. I'm not sure how it'll look, but I think they look cute. All right guys, so here's a little close-up of the denim shorts. I love the color. I don't like denim that's too dark, and I don't like when it's too light, although that's a little bit hypocritical of me to say because I'm wearing a super light colored pair. But overall, this is like my favorite color denim. They're high rise, so you know that's always flattering. And then yeah, basic little pockets, so cute. I feel like with a basic tee tucked in with sneakers or sandals, it'll look nice. These are the charcoal sweats, the first ones I showed you guys. Has a cute kind of jogger style finish, but still loose, somewhat baggy but not too oversized. And I really like this color because it's not a true black, so it's a little more unique. All right, this is the t-shirt that I showed you guys that has a cute little ruched kind of scrunchy sides. Here is the basic v-neck. It's like a cute burgundy color. It is a bit darker in person, which I like, kind of like a fall color, but I like it for year round. These are the leather pants. Love that it's a wide leg. I like this detail here. This is what the inside looks like. So it's kind of soft, definitely not too thick, which I like because like I said, Miami is way too hot to be wearing leather. I hope that these fit and look cute. This is the detail, cute little straps, and you see it's kind of like scrunch, which like I said, it's pretty flattering. Hopefully. I am obsessed with this color blouse, and it's like nice and silky, but not like literal silk that it's like too soft and smooth and shiny. No, like this is wearable, you know what I mean? And then look at these buttons. They're kind of I forgot the name of this, but I love it because it's kind of like reflective, kind of pearl like. I love this one. Obviously when it's ironed, it'll look a lot better. Here is the little gray tee. Oh my god, I don't even think I told you guys how much this cost. This one was $12.99, and you see Hollywood, Los Angeles. I love it. We'll see how I feel about the shoulder pads. And here are the sweats. Same detail, Hollywood, California. I don't remember how much these were. I think they were $19.89. Yeah, $19.99. So I feel like that's not bad for a set, the sweats and the t-shirt. Love this, honestly, because it just makes them different. It's not like your basic gray joggers or sweats. Alright guys, and that is it for this Zara haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I truly love everything that I got and I am so happy with my purchases. I really do feel like I was a lot more successful this trip than others. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I felt like Zara was very hit or miss for me. So I'm so happy with everything that I purchased. If you haven't already, you should definitely shop the semi-annual sale because you can get a lot more affordable pieces. And that is it for this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you guys on the next one.